AlIna Hubba, one of former President Donald Trump's various attorneys, became the target of online ridicule on Friday after she filed a court filing that a former Justice Department official deemed outrageous. Hubba, a New Jersey attorney who is also a senior advisor to one of Trump's political action committees, represented the former president in civil defamation suits brought against him by former Elle columnist Jean Carroll. The suits were brought in response to Trump's repeated claims that Carroll lied about allegations that he raped her during an encounter at a New York City department store in the 1990s. The former president has insisted he is innocent, despite the various verdicts against him. In May, a jury found that Trump had sexually assaulted Carroll and was therefore liable for defaming her for statements made in 2022. Carroll was awarded $5 million in damages. She also sued Trump for retractions he made in 2019 while he was president, and a lawsuit is underway to determine the damages he will be required to pay the writer for his defamatory comments. In the process, Carroll is seeking at least $10 million. On Friday, Hubba attempted to move for a mistrial in the case, arguing that Carroll broke the law when she deleted emails containing death threats against her, which she had previously testified to. In a letter, Hubba wrote to Judge Lewis Kaplan, who is overseeing the case, that the deletions represent a serious harm to President Trump's defense because he was deprived of important information regarding important evidence that the plaintiff presented to the jury. Hubba added that the deletions violate the federal rule that emails must be preserved for litigation. Kaplan rejected that suggestion. During an appearance on MSNBC on Friday, former Justice Department official Mary McCord called Hubba's argument outrageous. To suggest that Carroll had an obligation and she violated that obligation and the punishment should cause a mistrial is outrageous, McCord said. It denies the human dignity that you have to sit here, take this, read it over and over again while they come through your social media, through your email, what have you. AlIna Hubba filed a motion for a mistrial on Jean Carroll today, but the same motion she already filed was denied and the judge slapped her in the face, wrote ex-user Joan Hussey. She graduated from Pennsylvania Widener U Law and ranked last in the top 20%. Only the best. AlIna Hubba is one step away from filing a mistrial based on her own ineffective counsel, wrote user X under the nickname Hoodlum. AlIna Hubba is sending a letter to Judge Kaplan requesting a mistrial, attorney Don Lewis wrote. Surprisingly, she did not cite her incompetence as the alleged cause.